Hello guys, we're looking at the Dji Spark. It came in this, well, it didn't come in this case. This case was available later along with this battery charging station. This kit has really been, I think it's the most handy for traveling. You got 3 batteries, 1 in the drone, 2 on the sides, and then you have enough charge in this component here. There's my grandson, he's helping me here. Okay, you have enough charge in this battery charging station to charge all 3 batteries one more time, which really comes in handy. You didn't have to worry about excuse me, removing the control knobs, because when it's in the case it's protected. This case fits in my backpack very well. As you can see, size wise, it's about the size of your hand. Now I hope that the new Mavic Air Flymore package is as handy as this. I didn't buy the Flymore package when I bought the Spark, simply because this was a better outcome. This came with an extra battery. I purchased an extra battery, which brought me up to 3. And this I think was the most overlooked piece of kit for the Spark. This battery charge station. It was better than the Flymore kit. The case was $20. The charging station was $189, along with the extra battery, which made it a no-brainer. I haven't even peeled the plastic off of it, and I've had this thing for over 2 years. The Spark has been a great drone, and this kit has been great. It's just so handy for traveling that you can't beat it. Got a nice dual zipper case. Size wise, it's throw it in your bag. Now we're going to be comparing it with the new Mavic Air 2 shortly. It hasn't showed up yet, but I just wanted to let you guys relive what DJI did in the past. This unit has been great. I have no bad things to say about it.